Hello everybody, welcome back for a Tuesday update. Not only for the first time home buyers, sellers, investors, anybody looking to gain knowledge through real estate. That's what I cover every single Tuesday. So definitely like and subscribe to my page. It's all real estate related and there's some great content that I'm going to be posting in the future. For this Tuesday, I want to give those first time home buyers an easy 5-step process to the home buying process to make it super simple for you to understand. And we'll jump right into it. The first step for you guys is commitment, right? You need to commit to yourselves that you want to go through with buying a house. You're in the right place in your life, and commitment's a big part of it so you can kind of relax and enjoy the whole process as a whole. The second step to the first step, follow me here, it's going to be go out and find a mortgage lender. Right, so simply go get a pre-approval letter stating that you can afford this amount of house. So then you're not looking at unrealistic homes when you begin the home buying process. Okay, so that's step number 1, commitment, and go talk with a mortgage lender. Step number 2 is gonna go find a real estate agent. Now you might have friends, family, and that's perfectly fine. Or simply just type into Google, super simple, and just find a real estate agent with good reviews, someone who's, has a lot of experience negotiating on your behalf, has done a lot of deals, etc. So find a real estate agent. Number 3, super simple. It's just going to be going out and looking at homes with your realtor and finding one that you love, right? And then you simply put in an offer, and for this example, it's going to get accepted. So now you have that house locked up that you've always wanted, so you're in mutual agreement. Now, step number 4 is going to be all the contingencies within that agreement. So you have an inspection, the bank's going to come out for an appraisal, and you might have other contingencies. So once all those contingencies are satisfied as you as a buyer, okay, now you're gonna move to the closing day. Okay, so the closing day is simply gonna be you're as a buyer gonna go into escrow and you're gonna sign closing docs. You're gonna bring all the proceeds needed to close on that property. And then escrow is going to send those documents out to the county for recording numbers. Once they get that back, ownership will transfer and now you are a homeowner. So it's really a simple process. And if you pick the right real estate agent, it'll just make it a lot easier on you guys and you can enjoy the whole process of buying a home a lot more. So that's what I recommend, 5 simple steps. Hopefully that helped. And if you guys have any questions, like I said, like and subscribe to my channel and we'll see you guys next week. Thanks.